Hello everybody, once more. I am Mr. V.S. Bhajani from Guwahati. Today I had received another packet from Amazon India. I had ordered one 12 volt power socket for my motorcycle Yamaha YZF-R3. Let me open this box up for you. This is from generic. It's generic 12 volt car motorcycle cigarette lighter power socket. So this can be fitted either in car or in a motorcycle, but I am going to fit in my bike only. And let me check the wire length. Length is approximately, I think, 1.5 meter. I think if I put it in the dashboard of my bike, then I think this two ends, this positive and negative, will reach the battery of my bike easily. And this also comes with a fuse. So it's quite good, and the build quality also quite sturdy and nice. This you can fit in the handle, or you can also you can also improvise yourself if you want to fit it in other areas of your motorcycle. And here, this is power output. Here the power output is 12 volt and output power is 10 ampere. Output voltage is 12 volt and output power is 10 ampere, and this is waterproof. This is car motorcycle cigarette lighter cum power socket. And if you can insert one, this power socket into USB converter into the socket, then you can also power off your mobile or camera or your GoPro camera, etc. on the go. And this covered cap is quite tight, and the build quality also quite fantastic. And I bought it in Amazon for rupees 1088 only, equivalent to 16 US dollar. It's quite cheap, but the quality is very good. And this wire also covered with this insulation PVC rubber. So overall the build quality is quite good, and I am also going to make another video while I will be fitting in my bike. So then for today that's it. So I will be seeing you in my next video. So till the next video, see you. Bye bye.